Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use Padlet. So, I'm in Chrome. I forgot the word for browser. Anyway, so I'm just going to type in Padlet. I have obviously been here many times before. Oh look, seize the day. So this is my Padlet. I've already logged in, but it will ask you to log in and make an account. I'm pretty sure that you can continue with Google. So the cool thing with Padlet is that you can actually join a Padlet. So say you're a teacher and you want to make a Padlet, and then you have your students join that Padlet, they can click that. But to make a Padlet, you hit Make a Padlet. And there are a couple of different options. There's wall, canvas, stream, grid, shelf, back channel map, and timeline. The most popular one that I've seen to use is wall. I also really like timeline. That's the one that I used for my other one, but we'll use wall for right now. Ooh, that's a pretty background. So, you can title it, so welcome to your beautiful new Padlet. So we're just going to say, what do we want? We're going to say, my classroom. Because I'm not sure what we're going to say. I like that made with sweater, but I'm also going to add an exclamation mark. I don't know what the icon is. Oh, you can just add like a little icon thing. You can change it. I'll change it for the purpose of showing, but I actually really like this background. You do solid colors, textures, and let's do textures and patterns. Oh, thanks, teachers. I like that. So we'll go back. You can also add your own. I believe this is the code that you can share with your students when they want to. When they want to. Oh my God! I clicked that icon again. And you can always change this. But next, you're all set. So start posting. So the cool thing with this is that you can share it. You can change the settings. You can get a QR code for it. You can email. You can share on Google Classroom, which is really awesome. If you are a teacher using Google Classroom, you can share it with your students. Students can also edit, or they can make their own. So it's basically just, it's cool. They can add pictures. They can, oh man, look at me go. I'm just going to say hi, and then I'm going to say, this is Becca, right? So you can add a whole bunch of different things. If you want to have them record themselves, if you want to have them link another Padlet, or upload a link, or a picture, or even a film, which I think is really cool. And they can then, you can drag it. So I just clicked out of it. It's being a pain in my butt for some reason. So you can edit, expand. Oh, that was really big. So students can just add in their own as well. So the more you add, you can pose a question. So, say this question. So how is your day? And then students, and it is anonymous, I believe, or you can make an anonymous. Students can say, they can say answer and say, my day was great, right? And they can even link other things. They can search. They can add a picture. Oh, it wants to access my photo booth. I don't think I have anything in there. So then you can share, which is really cool. I'm going to see what it is on the Google Classroom. I do have a test. So I have a classroom for one of my classes at school. So I could link it to that, but I'm not gonna for right now. So yeah, that's really simple. You can also delete them. Say if you just did what I just did. Yeah, it's really neat. And I'm trying to think anything else. Oh, you can remake. Oh yeah, so if you hit this remake, this is where you can change this all up here. Submit. It was a what did I do? We're all learning. Okay. Oh, okay, so that made a remake of it. So it was something a bit different. You can also export them. You can invite people. So inviting people. So say you have students, you can type in their email addresses and invite them. You can, yeah, that's that. Change the privacy. So these are all of the different privacy settings, and then they can read, they can write, and they can edit. So the 3 different ways as well. A QR code. This could, this one you can drag off if you have a Mac, but you could also probably screenshot it or save it by like right-clicking. What? Go home. Okay, I'm just being a pain now. Oh man, I don't know what I just did, but that's okay. Oh, and then, oh, look at that. So this is a Padlet that I made for class. This was the timeline one, which is cool that I can show you. It was about the civil rights movement. And with this one, it's cool. You can switch them around. If I want to add something, I was adding the title.